Okay, can everyone excuse how much of a mess I look right now? I had a shower, my hair dried weird, my nails are chipped. Leave me alone. Okay, so today we're going to be doing some pumpkin carving. I probably haven't carved a pumpkin in about probably around 10 years. So yes, we'll see how this goes. It's gonna get messy. I'm prepared. I have a knife and I also have an old scoopy that I used to use for soups, but then it got dyed because I made a curry with it and now it's a really funny colour. Exciting, I know. I've seen online where you can roast, you can roast your pumpkin seeds and apparently it's a nice tasty snack. After you've carved a pumpkin, can you then chop it up and make it into a soup? Or is there a reason why people don't do that? Or do people do that? So that's probably the best I'm gonna do. Now to cut out the design. Okay, let's do it. Now from what I remember carving pumpkins, doing round edges was the hardest part. Straight ones, it's pretty easy, but she says. I'm gonna try and do a round edge. Oh. No doubt whatever I do, I'm going to be like, it's not perfect, it's not symmetrical, it's not good. But that's just me with everything. I can already see that a round edge isn't going to happen. Come on. How do you get a piece out? Ah, success. I don't know what I'm doing. That's gonna come out shit. How do people like do carving things as a profession? Like carving wood, carving pumpkins, carving... So, how do you guys do that? I say this like I was going to pick up the knife today and be completely pro at it, which obviously is never going to happen. You can't just be a master pumpkin carver from straight away. Just like everything. You can't be a great SFX artist. Well, I'm great, but I'm getting there. And I'm practicing, and I know that one day I will be. Oh, that one came out really easy. Yeah. It's like yesterday's video, which is still currently being uploaded as I'm doing this, which just shows how much of a disaster that whole plan was. Because I was supposed to film and edit this video yesterday in preparation for today, but instead, yesterday's video was a complete disaster, which means that's only being uploaded today, which means that I'm only just filming this one now in order to upload also today. But it was my first ever game playthrough, and I know that as much as I look at it now and I'm like, oh my god, I hate it and everything like that, if I do them more, I'll get better. I don't know yet whether to give it a nose. I'm thinking no. No nose. Just keep stabbing, just what do? We step. This is hard to do. I don't know what I just did, but it felt like a mistake. Get out of here. Get the fuck. Eat. Come on. Oh. No, that's not what I wanted to do. I remember when I was a kid, whenever my dad would carve pumpkins, he would purposely pick out the biggest pumpkin he could possibly find. So everyone else's pumpkins would be like, normal, small, and then to be a massive one at the end. I think I'm done. Okay, and now I'm gonna do the big reveal. Ta-da! all enjoyed this video, and I hope you all go out and carve your own pumpkins. This isn't really much of a tutorial. I'm pretty sure there's many other tutorials out there on how to carve pumpkins by actually talented pumpkin carvers, but if you wanted a nice, chilled, relaxed video watching someone carve a pumpkin and talk absolute shite, then you come to the right place, because this was fun. And that's it. I'll see you all tomorrow.